Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Fox Knives, Tashi Barusha Phoenix here with me for a quick maintenance video. But hey, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of stuff that I'm bringing to you, because it's helping a lot, guys. If you subscribe, if you like, if you comment, it's gonna be fun, and it's gonna tell me, yeah, Fab, keep cranking those videos out because people are loving them. So yeah, I'm happy and I'll keep doing it. So let's go ahead and take this guy apart. Look at these screws, pretty big. I mean, pivot screw is the same as the handle screw. You can probably swap these screws out. No, pivot is a little bit longer, so let's keep the pivot here. And then pretty much you are done. You see, you have two screws to take care of and to have this knife taken apart. The blade is right there. You got the scales, nice stainless steel bearings, numbered, done. This is the stop pin here. No, stop pin is there. Oh, this is the pin for the back spacer. Very good. Then we're gonna need just a little bit of rubbing alcohol and our trustworthy microfiber cloth to get rid of all the gunk, all the grease, all the impurities in here. Very good. By the way, guys, the polished swedge on the blade is just phenomenal. It's fantastic. Nice touch. There's no skeletonization going on this one. You can see that this guy was modified, so it doesn't come like that. These flats are not satin in the if you buy like a retail. And let's clean the track, the stainless steel insert here. Let's clean these screws for the body, which are keyed in actually. Nice, very nice actually. They are keyed in, beautiful, and blind on that side. And on this side as well, I'm assuming, yes. So that's gorgeous. Gorgeous, really cool. So these are in place like that. We're gonna need some 10 weight nano oil, like 1, 2, 3 drops right there for the bearing track, which we're gonna clean up like so. And then you can use the blade in like that, and then the other bearing, it's in, and then some other nano oil in as well. You put away the 10, take the 85, try and see if you like the action, and then we are pretty much done, guys. Look at that, cool. And then a little bit of blue Loctite for the thread of the pivot, something that's too much, something like this, and can go in like that. And we're gonna tune it in a second. First I want to do this here like so. Here you go. So that is done. Oh, yeah, we need to maybe tighten the pivot a little bit more. What do you think? Like so. Checking blade centering, check, yes. Checking blade play, no blade play. Too tight, I can already tell that. So let's just loosen a little bit. Check for blade play. Oh yeah. Very good actually. Nice, it's more controlled, more gliding shot. I prefer the action like this 100% actually. Maybe, you know what? Let me see if we can do just a little smidge loosen, yeah, still good. Nice, very pleasant gliding action for this Phoenix, made in Italy, designed by Tashi Barusha. Fantastic. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.